But 2 months into the journey, basis the time which you are able to spend, you will then very objectively be able to take this call कि मुझे exam कब देना चाहिए.
Sir, my main concern was I am planning to give November attempt for level 1,
Okay.
but I am not able to manage time to prepare for CF because I'm also currently learning about business valuation, equity research, and everything. I'm also learning financial modeling, and if you remember, I'm also doing an internship in investment banking.
Okay.
So I wanted to ask if I start like preparing from today or tomorrow, which I have started preparation from March, but I'm not able to retain things. So is it okay if I start preparing from now with full focus? Is it okay to give November attempt or should I push to February?
Okay. ठीक है यार. Good यार Naman, you can mute yourself. Let me give you a perspective. Yeah. So I think यार everybody on the call यार, this query is at the heart of, most of the confusion यार which kids have, right? Or the aspirants have who are planning to attempt CFA. And I think yaar, I have mentioned this plenty of times, right? And I'll repeat this yaar, that yaar, understand this, that your first step in the preparation journey for CFA, right? Or in this journey of CFA is not to register for the exam. Unfortunately, a lot of us make this mistake. Why? Because यार we have always been programmed in the Indian academic system, जहाँ पर जब एग्जाम की डेट आती है तब हम अपने प्रिपरेशंस को शुरू करते हैं कि अच्छा यार अब 10 दिन बच गए एग्जाम में, अब 12 दिन बच गए, अब 5 दिन बच गए, एटसेट्रा. एंड इवन आई हैव बीन गिल्टी ऑफ द सेम यार व्हेन आई हैड अप्रोच्ड माय academic career. Why? Because as Indians, we are always bothered about the exam dates. We are not bothered about the journey, about the learning, about the conceptual understanding. We are just bothered, हाँ भाई एग्जाम अब पास करना है तो पढ़ेंगे कब, जब एग्जाम की डेट आ जाएगी, नहीं तो उससे पहले कोई मतलब नहीं. Instead, yaar, my very strong recommendation to all candidates aspiring to do CFA is that your first step is to start the preparation. Forget about when you will prepare, right? By how much time you will be able to invest, whether it is 1 hour which is required or 3 hours, whether it is the November attempt or February attempt. Let all that be an output of your preparation, which means as soon as you start your preparation, depending on your other constraints which you have, and I am a firm believer of the fact that you should not leave aside any of your other constraints, unless of course your constraints are that you are binge watching on Netflix like crazy. Unless those are the constraints, right? Unless that, you need not leave anything which you're doing. Like Naman in our case is doing some financial valuation courses, investment banking courses, or internships, etc., etc. So I would never recommend you to leave aside everything and just prepare for CFA, because that is not the right approach, right? And CFA doesn't warrant that. It is a very conceptual exam. In fact, if you take up my course, you will see the way I have taught you every concept it is super practical. I have taught you a lot of practical examples so that these concepts become internalized in you. But 2 months into the journey, basis the time which you are able to spend, you will then very objectively be able to take this call कि मुझे exam कब देना चाहिए, because there will be a momentum and there will be a very objective evaluation from your side कि मैं कितना time दे पा रहा हूं. Why? Because the thumb rule which I have seen surveying my students who I have taught over the last several years is that the thumb rule which I have seen is that the people who cross the line, they are spending 90 minutes on a daily basis for 6 months. This is the program. Now, it is very simple. If you have enough time, like a lot of my students from US who take up the course, they spend 30 to 45 minutes a day because they have a very different way of approaching the exams and the curriculums and the journeys. They say, sir, we want to go for our, fun time as well. They play a lot of sports, by the way. They travel a lot, etc., right? So hence, यार, they say that, boss, हम लोग तो खेलेंगे भी, हम लोग थोड़ी पढ़ाई भी करेंगे, हम लोग बियर पे भी जाएंगे, हम लोग बियर शाम में उनका ड्रिंक्स भी चलता है बहुत, वो करेंगे, right? Socialization, part of their socialization. They travel also. So, sir, we will do all this. They, stay healthy also. So they go for cycling and a lot of trekking as well. So they spend time. So this is a 30 to 45 minutes every day we are able to spend. So they take 12 months to prepare. A lot of time I get into these debates with them कि भाई 12 महीने ज़्यादा नहीं है क्या? And they convince me कि 12 महीने एकदम appropriate. Because their way of approaching the journey, approaching the exams is very different. But they come from different culture. हम लोग का इतना ज़्यादा ये ड्रिंक्स ब्रेक और ट्रैवलिंग एक्सेट्रा इज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ आवर कल्चर. हम लोग उतना नहीं करते. So we are able to spend slightly more time. Most of the Indian course takers, they are able to spend 1.5 hour, 2 hours a day. Then they take 6 months. A lot of students here who come from CA background and take up my course, they say, sir, a large part of what we are studying here, we have already studied in our CA curriculum, like financial statement analysis, some bit of economics, etc. So they say, sir, we are ready in 3 months. Everybody has a different journey. How does it matter? Because as I keep saying this, I keep giving this example that we all know who reached the Mount Everest, right? Who all reached the Mount Everest, right? But none of us are bothered that in how many days did they reach. And that is at the heart of your answer, Naman, right? Which I would like to give you the guidance. This answer only you should get from yourself. Me answering it for you, your friends or other tutors, professors, anyone else giving you that answer, I think यार वो बहुत ही बेमानी होगी, वो सत्य नहीं होगा, मैं कोई भी नंबर आपको दूँ, right? And it will in fact put you under added pressure. I would say, नमन यार तुम बेवकूफ़ है क्या यार, तुमको इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है? तुमको तो यार मई में दे देना चाहिए था एग्जाम, तुमको तो अगस्त में दे देना चाहिए था एग्जाम. Now all this is going to put you into a very vicious cycle, because I am nobody to comment on you, because your constraints, your preparation is only best known to you. My only word of advice is do not approach it like an Indian exam where you start mugging up. Now having said that, अब तुमने पहली गलती अगर कर ली है जहां तुमने नवंबर का एग्जाम रजिस्टर कर दिया है, राइट? क्योंकि वो तो नहीं करना था. अब अगर कर दिया है तो कर दिया भाई. तो अब विथ दिस कंस्ट्रेंट हाउ यू शुड मूव. तो वेरी सिंपल नमन, देन द आंसर इज वेरी वेरी इजी. आज टुडे यू आर सेटिंग इन April. The average number here which I have, this is the survey of thousands of students who I have taught so far. The average number is 1.5 hours for 6 months, which means you are sitting in April. If from today you are able to spend 1.5 hours on a daily basis, then November attempt is for you, because that is the ideal time which you would take. Unless of course here you come from a CA background or from some background where some parts of these courses are already covered in your previous academic career. But other than that, it should take you 1.5 hours for 6 months, which will effectively get you to November. Yes. So if you have not registered, Naman, please do not put a gun on your head. Prepare for this exam for the next couple of months. Whether you prepare it via me or some other course takers, etc., that is completely your choice, right? I leave that to you. But wherever you prepare, तुम खुद से देखो कि तुम कितना टाइम डाल पा रहे हो. And 2 months into the preparation, get that objective answer from yourself कि तुमको कौन सा attempt देना है. And trust me यार, it will never matter whether you are giving your November attempt or Feb attempt. Unlike Indian exams where you miss a attempt, you miss a year. वो इंडियन पेरेंट्स बोलते थे ना, बेटा पढ़ लो नहीं तो साल बर्बाद हो जाएगा. Why did you used to say that? Because Indian exams साल में एक बार होते हैं भाई. I don't know why, by the way, right? ये UFA एग्जाम है यार, ये यूएस का एग्जाम है, बहुत प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम है, साल में 4 बार होता है. Which means if you miss a attempt, there is only the next attempt is just 3 months away. So how does it matter? So hence यार 3 महीने में कोई गाड़ी नहीं छूटेगी. किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग कितने दिनों में चांद पे पहुंचा था. वो चांद पे पहुंचा था इसीलिए उसका नाम है. वो जल्दी पहुंचा, लेट पहुंचा, 3 महीने लेट से पहुंचा, किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. तुम्हें चांद पे पहुंचना है, कितने टाइम में पहुंचना है वो ना किसी को मतलब है, ना किसी को जानना है. ठीक है. Friends, if you have liked this session, do share it with your friends and peers as well, so that more number of people can benefit from these insights. Also, friends, if you are aspiring to build your career in finance and your why of CFA is now clear, please do enroll for the course and get started. My course is available at a very, very nominal cost. The link of the same is in the description, where you can check all the details of the course as well as the price and how to get enrolled in it. So do give it a shot so that you can move forward and quickly create a career in finance. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.